and 7.
I think we have a mix of birders and non-birders.
Okay, cool. Does anyone know who this bird is? They've got a line all the way through the eye. Clay colored, see how the line stops? It doesn't go all the way to the bill. And then they also have this kind of like darker submalar stripe here. Look to see this bird's skull has those windows or not, and it does not. This bird's skull is a 6. What's really cool is so we have different scores that we give to these things we look at. So this is how we can quantify it. And so these different scores with our brood patch, we can actually infer what stage of the nest these birds are at. But this bird does have a brood patch. I'll try to show you guys real quick. So I would give that brood patch a score of 3, which is heavily vascularized. So this is a bird that has eggs that are likely about to hatch, or it has chicks that very recently hatched.